Understanding Wedding Day Jitters. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and relatable topic for many: wedding day jitters. Have you ever felt nervous or anxious before a big event? Well, imagine that feeling amplified on one of the most significant days of your life. That's what we're talking about today. We'll explore what this phrase means, why it happens, and how people deal with it. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of those pre-wedding nerves. Wedding day jitters refer to the feeling of nervousness, anxiety, or unease that people might experience just before their wedding ceremony. It's a common phenomenon, affecting not just the bride and groom but sometimes even the bridal party and family members. These feelings can range from mild butterflies in the stomach to more intense sensations of stress or worry. But why do people get these jitters? Let's find out in our next section. There are several reasons why someone might feel jittery before their wedding. Firstly, a wedding is a major life event. It signifies a new chapter and commitment, which naturally brings about a mix of emotions. Secondly, the pressure of ensuring everything goes perfectly on the big day can be overwhelming. From the ceremony details to the expectations of family and friends, the desire for perfection can cause significant stress. Lastly, the fear of the unknown future and the changes marriage brings can also contribute to these feelings. So, how can one manage these jitters? Firstly, acknowledging these feelings as normal can be a big relief. It's okay to feel nervous. Secondly, practice deep breathing or mindfulness techniques to calm the mind and body. Engaging in a relaxing activity the day before, such as a spa day or light exercise, can also help. Communication is key. Talking about your feelings with your partner, family, or a professional can provide comfort and reassurance. Lastly, focus on the big picture, the joy of celebrating your love with those who matter most. Wedding day jitters are a common, natural response to a significant life event. Remember, it's okay to feel this way, and there are many strategies to help manage these feelings. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and provided you with some helpful tips. If you're about to tie the knot, congratulations! May your day be filled with love, joy, and as little stress as possible. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.